Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini shortcuts. Gemini offers a super convenient way to jump right into a new conversation or task. This dedicated shortcut is designed to streamline your workflow, allowing you to access powerful AI assistance with just a few keystrokes. It's all about saving you precious time and making your interactions smoother and more efficient so you can get answers and generate content much faster. To access the Gemini shortcut, simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Gemini platform. Once there, keep an eye out for a distinct shortcut option, which might appear as a small, easily recognizable icon or a clearly labeled button. A single click on this element will instantly launch a fresh chat interface, ready for your input. It's a straightforward process designed for immediate engagement. Once you've activated the shortcut, you'll find yourself in a brand new, blank chat window, perfectly poised for your next interaction. This is your cue to type your specific query, question, or creative prompt directly into the designated input field. After crafting your message, simply press the Enter key or click the Send button to dispatch your request. Gemini will then swiftly process your input and generate a helpful response. Utilizing the Gemini shortcut offers several key advantages for your daily tasks. It dramatically cuts down the number of steps required to start an AI interaction, making your workflow much more fluid. This instant access to Gemini significantly boosts your overall productivity, allowing you to get more done in less time. Ultimately, it guarantees a consistently quick and highly efficient user experience every single time you need assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.